If you want to replace the rear light bulbs yourself on a third-generation Hyundai Accent, this video will show you the whole process quickly and simply. First, open the trunk. From the inside of the trunk, you will see a small protective plastic cover behind the rear light assembly. This cover gives us access to the bulbs, so we need to remove it first. Carefully pull the plastic cover outward with a little pressure. Once the cover is removed, you will have direct access to the rear light bulb holders. To remove a bulb socket, simply turn it counterclockwise. After turning it, gently pull the socket toward you, and it will come out together with the bulb. The other bulb can be removed in exactly the same way. Turn the socket counterclockwise, pull it out gently, and you will have easy access to the bulb. Now let me show you how to actually remove the bulb from the socket. Take the bulb firmly but carefully. Apply a little pressure and turn the bulb slightly. On this type of socket, you need to press the bulb down slightly while turning it. Once it is released from the locking tabs, simply pull it out of the socket. Now you can replace the old bulb with a new one. To install the new bulb, place it into the socket, press it down gently, and turn it until it locks securely into position. After that, put the bulb socket back into the rear light assembly. Insert it into the correct position, and turn it clockwise until it is firmly locked. Finally, reinstall the protective plastic cover inside the trunk. That's it! As you can see, replacing the rear light bulbs on the third-generation Hyundai Accent is a very simple job and can be done in just a few minutes. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple car repair and DIY videos.